Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to start dropshipping for beginners. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of dropshipping, a business model that allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time business, dropshipping offers a low-risk way to enter the world of e-commerce. We'll walk you through each step, from understanding the basics to launching your own store. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started with dropshipping today. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never handle the product physically. The main advantage is that you can start your business with minimal upfront investment, as you don't need to buy inventory in advance. This model has become increasingly popular with the rise of online shopping and global suppliers. Let's break down the dropshipping process. First, you set up an online store and list products for sale. When a customer places an order, you forward the order details to your supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. Your profit comes from the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay, the supplier. This streamlined process allows you to focus on marketing and customer service while your supplier handles inventory and shipping. Dropshipping offers several key benefits for beginners. The most significant is the low startup cost, since you don't need to invest in inventory. You can also run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, making it highly flexible. Additionally, dropshipping allows you to test new products without financial risk. This model is scalable, so as your business grows, you can expand your product range easily. These advantages make dropshipping an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. While dropshipping has many advantages, it's important to be aware of potential challenges. Profit margins can be lower compared to traditional retail, and you have less control over inventory and shipping times. Since you rely on suppliers, issues like stock shortages or shipping delays can impact your customer experience. Additionally, competition can be fierce, especially for popular products. Understanding these challenges will help you prepare and build a more resilient business. Selecting the right niche is a crucial first step in dropshipping. A niche is a specific segment of the market that you'll focus on. Ideally, you want to choose a niche that interests you and has enough demand but isn't overly saturated with competitors. Research trending products, analyze market demand, and consider your own passions. A well-chosen niche can make marketing easier and help you stand out in the crowded e-commerce space. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to research product ideas. Look for products with steady demand, reasonable profit margins, and low shipping costs. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media platforms to identify what's popular. Analyze competitors to see what they're selling and how you can differentiate your offerings. Thorough product research lays the foundation for a successful dropshipping business. A reliable supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu connect you with thousands of suppliers worldwide. When choosing a supplier, look for positive reviews, fast shipping times, and clear communication. Order samples to test product quality and delivery speed. Building strong relationships with suppliers ensures smoother operations and better customer satisfaction. Before committing to a supplier, evaluate their performance thoroughly. Look at their order fulfillment rates, shipping times, and customer feedback. Reliable suppliers should have a track record of timely deliveries and quality products. Communicate with them to assess responsiveness and willingness to resolve issues. This evaluation process helps you avoid future problems and ensures a positive experience for your customers. Now it's time to set up your online store. Popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy to create a professional-looking website without coding skills. Choose a clean, user-friendly design and organize your products into categories. Make sure your store is mobile-friendly and optimized for fast loading. A well-designed store builds trust and encourages customers to make purchases. Customizing your storefront helps your brand stand out. Add your logo, choose brand colors, and write compelling product descriptions. High-quality images and clear calls to action can boost conversions. Make sure your store's navigation is intuitive, so customers can easily find what they're looking for. Personal touches create a memorable shopping experience and encourage repeat business. After setting up your store, start adding products. Include detailed descriptions, high-resolution images, and clear pricing. Highlight product features and benefits to help customers make informed decisions. Organize products into logical categories and use tags to improve searchability. The more information you provide, the more confident customers will feel about buying from your store. Pricing your products competitively is essential for attracting customers and making sales. Research your competitors to see what they're charging for similar items. Factor in your costs, including product, price, shipping, and platform fees, to ensure you make a profit. Consider offering discounts or bundle deals to entice buyers. Transparent pricing builds trust and encourages repeat purchases. To accept payments, integrate secure payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit card processors into your store. Make sure your checkout process is simple and user-friendly. Display trust badges and security certificates to reassure customers. Offering multiple payment options can increase your conversion rate and make shopping more convenient for your audience. Shipping is a critical part of the dropshipping experience. Set clear shipping policies and display estimated delivery times on your product pages. Decide whether to offer free shipping, flat rates, or real-time carrier rates. Communicate shipping costs and timelines transparently to avoid surprises. Well-defined shipping settings help manage customer expectations and reduce support inquiries. Every dropshipping store needs clear policies for returns, refunds, and privacy. Write concise, easy-to-understand policies and display them prominently on your website. This builds trust with customers and protects your business from disputes. Make sure your policies comply with local laws and platform requirements. Transparent policies set expectations and foster positive customer relationships. With your store set up and products added, you're ready to launch. Double-check that all links, images, and payment systems work correctly. Test the checkout process from start to finish to ensure a smooth customer experience. Announce your launch on social media and to your network. A successful launch sets the tone for your business and helps you attract your first customers. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your dropshipping store. Start by identifying your target audience and crafting messages that resonate with them. Use a mix of marketing channels, such as social media, email, and content marketing to reach potential customers. Consistent marketing efforts help you build brand awareness and generate sales over time. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are powerful tools for promoting your dropshipping store. Share engaging content, run ads, and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Use hashtags and trends to increase visibility. Social media allows you to connect directly with your audience and build a loyal customer base. Paid advertising can quickly drive targeted traffic to your store. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads allow you to reach specific demographics based on interests and behaviors. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives to see what works best. Monitor your campaigns closely and adjust your strategy for maximum return on investment. Content marketing involves creating valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Start a blog, produce videos, or write guides related to your niche. Share helpful tips, product reviews, and how-to articles. Quality content builds trust, improves your search engine rankings, and encourages visitors to return to your store. An email list is a valuable asset for your dropshipping business. Offer incentives like discounts or free guides to encourage visitors to subscribe. Send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and helpful content. Email marketing helps you nurture relationships with customers and drive repeat sales. Search engine optimization, SEO, helps your store rank higher in search results, making it easier for customers to find you. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and blog posts. Optimize images with descriptive alt text and improve your site's loading speed. Good SEO practices drive organic traffic and increase your store's visibility. Tracking your store's performance is essential for growth. Use analytics tools to monitor traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Identify which products are selling well and which marketing channels are most effective. Regular analysis helps you make data-driven decisions and refine your strategies for better results. Providing excellent customer service sets your store apart. Respond promptly to inquiries, resolve issues quickly, and follow up after purchases. Offer clear communication about shipping and returns. A positive customer experience leads to repeat business and positive reviews, which are crucial for long-term success. Returns and refunds are a normal part of e-commerce. Make your policies clear and easy to find. Handle requests professionally and process refunds promptly. Work with your suppliers to resolve product issues. A smooth returns process builds trust and encourages customers to shop with you again. Efficient order management is key to customer satisfaction. Use automation tools to process orders and update customers on their order status. Double-check order details before forwarding them to suppliers. Keep customers informed about shipping and delivery. Streamlined order management reduces errors and enhances the shopping experience. Customer complaints are inevitable, but how you handle them matters. Listen to your customers, acknowledge their concerns, and offer solutions. Stay calm and professional, even if the complaint is unreasonable. Resolving issues quickly can turn unhappy customers into loyal advocates for your store. Once your dropshipping store is running smoothly, consider scaling your business. Add new products, expand into new markets, or increase your marketing budget. Use automation tools to handle increased order volume. Scaling allows you to grow your revenue and reach a wider audience without significantly increasing your workload. Automation can save you time and reduce errors as your business grows. Use apps and plugins to automate order processing, inventory updates, and customer communications. Automation tools can also help with marketing tasks like email campaigns and social media posts. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on strategy and growth. Even though you don't hold inventory, it's important to track stock levels with your suppliers. Use inventory management tools to sync your store with supplier stock. This helps prevent overselling and disappointing customers. Regularly check with suppliers to ensure product availability and update your listings as needed. Good cash flow management is essential for any business. Monitor your expenses, track incoming payments, and set aside funds for marketing and emergencies. Use accounting software to keep your finances organized. Staying on top of your cash flow ensures you can cover costs and invest in growth opportunities. Taxes can be complex in dropshipping, especially if you sell internationally. Research tax laws in your country and any regions you sell to. Keep accurate records of sales and expenses. Consider consulting a tax professional to ensure compliance and avoid surprises. Proper tax management protects your business and keeps you out of trouble. Protect your dropshipping business with proper legal structures and insurance. Register your business according to local regulations and consider liability insurance. Use secure payment gateways and protect customer data. Taking these steps reduces risk and builds credibility with your customers. Many beginners make common mistakes when starting dropshipping. These include choosing the wrong niche, neglecting supplier research, and underestimating marketing costs. Learn from others' experiences and take time to plan each step. Being aware of potential pitfalls helps you avoid costly errors and build a successful business. Competitor analysis is a valuable tool for growth. Study successful dropshipping stores in your niche to see what works. Analyze their product selection, pricing, and marketing strategies. Look for gaps in their offerings that you can fill. Learning from competitors helps you refine your approach and stay ahead in the market. The e-commerce landscape is always evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, new marketing techniques, and changes in consumer behavior. Follow industry blogs, join online communities, and attend webinars. Keeping up with trends helps you adapt quickly and maintain a competitive edge. Branding sets your store apart from competitors. Develop a unique brand identity with a memorable name, logo, and consistent messaging. Tell your brand story and connect emotionally with your audience. Strong branding builds trust, encourages loyalty, and increases the value of your business over time. Customer reviews are powerful social proof. Encourage buyers to leave reviews by following up after purchases and offering incentives. Display positive reviews prominently on your site. Respond to feedback, both positive and negative, to show you value your customers. Reviews help build trust and drive more sales. As your store grows, consider expanding your product range. Add complementary products that appeal to your existing customers. Use sales data to identify popular items and trends. Expanding your offerings can increase average order value and attract new customer segments. Dropshipping allows you to sell globally. Research international markets to find new opportunities. Consider language, currency, and shipping logistics when expanding. Adapting your store for different regions can open up new revenue streams and diversify your customer base. Influencer marketing can boost your store's visibility and credibility. Partner with influencers in your niche to reach new audiences. Provide them with free products or affiliate commissions in exchange for promotion. Authentic influencer endorsements can drive traffic and increase sales. Collecting customer data helps you personalize marketing and improve your store. Always handle data responsibly and comply with privacy laws. Be transparent about how you use data and give customers control over their information. Responsible data use builds trust and protects your reputation. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and persistence. Set realistic goals, celebrate small wins, and learn from setbacks. Surround yourself with supportive communities and keep learning. Staying motivated helps you overcome challenges and achieve long-term success. Congratulations on reaching the end of our Dropshipping Beginner's Guide. You now have a solid understanding of how to start and grow a dropshipping business. Remember, success comes from continuous learning, adapting to changes, and providing value to your customers. Take the first step today and start building your own online store. The world of dropshipping is full of opportunities. Your journey begins now.